morning everyone. My name is Deepika Rajan.
My name is Pavadharani.
My name is Adinram.
My name is Shabina.
My name is Vijay Ravichandran and I am the supervisor of this team.
We are from MJIC Bandam Architectures and today we are proud to introduce our innovative project, the Plastoscope, a DIY microscope.
To run our project, we have come up with the Plastoscope,
A mobile stand and LED light.
Specimens such as leaf, rainwater, and soil.
And laptop with Plastoscope channels.
Good morning everyone. I'm from MJIC Bandam Architectures. I'm proud to introduce our innovative project, the Plastoscope, a DIY microscope that is affordable, sustainable, and highly effective for students and researchers. In Malaysia access, scientific tools can be expensive, especially in rural schools. Our goal is to make learning science more accessible through this low, cost yet functional microscope that is made from recycling plastic bottles.
The Plastoscope is unique because it aligns with Malaysia's commitment to sustainability, education and technological advancement as stated in the Sustainable Development, Goal 4 Quality Education and Goal 9 Innovation. Many students in rural areas lack access to microscope due to financial constraints. By using locally available materials, we provide an affordable, eco-friendly and effective solution that supports STEM education in Malaysia. Our project also promotes environmental awareness by upcycling plastic waste, addressing Malaysia's rising plastic pollution while fostering scientific curiosity among young learners.
Our Plastoscope is built using 2 plastic bottles cut into halves to form the main structure, a 15 times magnification eyepiece for clear viewing, and a 10 times magnification objective lens to focus on small details. Precise distance adjustments. The eyepiece and the objective lens are 23 cm apart, while the objective lens and the slide maintain a 1.5 to 2 cm distance for optimal focus. This allows students to observe microscope details clearly and effectively, making it comparable to standard laboratory details but at a fraction of a cost.
The Plastoscope is highly practical because it is lightweight and foldable, making it ideal for schools and field studies. It is easy to assemble and use even for young students. The total cost is significantly lower than a conventional microscope, whereas a standard microscope costs around 200 to 500.
We are integrating technology into our Plastoscope by adding LED light source for better illumination, attaching a smartphone camera to capture and magnify image produced will be uploaded in the chat box, connect to ChatGPT, and we explore more about specimen testing. By combining traditional optics, modern technology, we are making science more interactive and engaging.
The Plastoscope has positive impact in multiple areas. Environmental impact, reduce plastic waste by repurposing bottles. Educational impact, enable students, especially in rural schools, to explore microscopy affordably. Scientific impact, encourage young minds to engage in STEM learning and research. Our project contributes to Malaysia's Education Blueprint 2025, which emphasizes innovation by learning. By making scientific tools accessible, we are helping Malaysia produce future scientists and researchers.
To bring our Plastoscope to more people, we plan to marketing and sell it to both online and offline platforms. Our strategy includes social media marketing, selling on Shopee, TikTok Shop, and YouTube demonstrating. Content creation, posting video on TikTok and YouTube demonstrating how the Plastoscope works. School demonstration. We will be visiting nearby schools to showcase and demonstrate selling directly to teachers and students. We can believe that by using viral marketing techniques such as TikTok trends, influencer collaboration, we can reach a larger audience and boost sales.
Now let's explore more about specimen testing
By using our chat box.
Let's go! The Plastoscope is more than just a DIY project. It is a step toward making science more accessible, affordable, and engaging in Malaysia and beyond. Through innovation, sustainability, and smart marketing, we are turning waste into a powerful and educational tool that can inspire the next generation of scientists. Thank you for your time. We welcome any questions and invite you to support our project by sharing, purchasing, and spreading the word. That's all from us. Let's save this world by using more sustainable products like our Plastoscope.